Alright y'all, so we back out here with this prop. This is the LDARC 1545 prop, and we did test this on 1S. This time we're out here with a 2S bird. This is the Beta FPV 75 Pro 2, a 2S model. And so we're gonna test it with this G&B 300 milliamp hour 2S. This is a high voltage battery, but I only have it charged up to normal voltage. Let's get into it. We're in acro, let's see. We're in acro. Let's take it over here. We got some trucks coming out of this yard here. Let's look at a quick punch out. So really nice punch out. They sound really quiet and nice. Again, really nice punch out. Sounds really quiet and nice. Did get some prop wash there. Flying really nicely. Definitely an option. I love this bird. So we already know this is a really nice prop, and I banged out with it. Perfect opportunity to see if this thing turtle moves. So let's try it. So the props work for turtle mode. See if we can get back out of this maze line of sight here. Pretty awesome prop. Try my hand at some line of sight proximity acro again. Power loop the tree. Oh, we got some prop wash there. There's a hawk flying back there. I hope that hawk doesn't go after my bird. Oh. So no buzzer on this guy, so no way of me telling if the battery is finished. Let's do a fast flyby if I can. Oh no, the battery's done. So definitely a competitor to the Gem Fan 40mm props. These little props here are awesome. The LDARC 1545 40mm props. Thanks for watching.